Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable double click on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Some users enjoy the ability to customize their device gestures and actions. By enabling double click allows them to assign specific functions or shortcut to the double click gestures based on their preferences and needs. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First of all, you can go to the settings menu on your device. And then here you can scroll down. After that, you can select Advanced Features option. And then here you can select Motion and Gestures menu. Okay, and then to activate it, you can press both buttons here. Double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. Okay, and then the double tap or double click feature on your device is active. That's the tutorial on how to enable double click on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.